I mean, what's your general outlook here with regards to not only that diplomatic and political relationship, but the economic one?
Well, it's that difficulty that is confronting my fund. We have a market weight exposure to China. What's been interesting, Romaine, is that that has gone from a very small exposure to where now China, even though it's just 3%, it's our largest single country exposure. And the question that my board's going to face, and we're going to talk about at the beginning of 2021, we know China's a friend, but we also know they're a foe at the same time. And with some of the questions about funding their military, the growth of their Navy, it really makes it difficult for an investor to stay there for a long time. The news today just amplifies that you can't fight the party. You've got to be on their side if you're going to make money. And the question is how much they're going to let you make money. So I think it's a conundrum for any investor.
But Kristen, I mean, when you talk about sort of what transpired here with Ant, and we don't know all the details, but the idea that you would have something like this put on ice as quickly as it was done, and for reasons that don't seem to have anything to do with maybe the fundamentals of the company specifically, does that give you pause, though, as an investor of, I guess, increasing that exposure? I mean, I know your exposure is small, but I mean, if this is sort of the holy grail for growth with regards to a people and a population and an economy, how do you do that when you have a government that can make sort of these wholesale decisions about the future of a company the way it did with Ant today?
You hit it on the head. I don't have an answer yet. That's something we want to study, and I don't think there's a clear answer. I used to ask my board, is China a friend or a foe? And now I've realized the answer is yes, both. And that makes it really hard. So no, and it's not just this issue. I mean, you have to know when you invest in China, it's all about the party. And whether Jack Ma, whatever he said this week, it clearly had an impact on postponing this offering. So it's an indication, again, that it's a one-party system. It's communist. You can make money there. It's going to have a growth economy, but it is full of E, S, and G issues. Some investors are going to turn a blind eye and just don't care, and the traders will make money. But as investors, it's a real conundrum for us. And I don't have a clear answer about whether we should be underweight, overweight, or market weight in this growth economy.